Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the boot order on Toshiba Dynabook Tecra. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which is entered with the F2 key, and if you don't understand how, you can just watch a video on our channel on it. Once that's done, go to boot. Then you can see the boot option number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. You can set different options like the hard drive, the USB memory, the ODD or LAN. And this is basically how you change it here. The option number 1 will be the first one booted. And if the system won't be able to boot from the option number 1, then it'll start booting from the option number 2. If it can't, then from option number 3, and so on until it finds the option that it can boot from. Then there is priority for devices if you have multiple devices, like for example in the HDD SSD priority. If you have multiple bootable partitions on your disk, for example the Windows and Linux, you can change it here. So this will be just like priority, but not for each type of device, but only for a certain one type of device for different options within that one. Then in LAN you can also change the priority when it comes to the IPv4 and IPv6. And you can also add a new boot option by adding the name of it, path for that boot option, and clicking on create. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.